Hey guys, it's Juju. It's the 4th of July, so we came to the beach in the morning and we're gonna go surf.
The waves are big.
The waves are big! So yay. Always wear your sunscreen. Sunscreen, sunscreen, sunscreen. Aliana's going with her board. The epic board, whoa. We are here at the beach.
I know, maybe.
Collab. We're all wearing our Sia stuff. So we've got surf suit, and rash guard. So shout out to Sia for the awesome water aware at the waves. Oh my god!
I don't even know how to turn it on and off. Oh, okay, now it's on. Oh, and it's recording.
Hi! Happy 4th of July!
Oh, there's a wave coming! I had an epic wave in where I went up and down. I was the only one on the wave, and yeah, that's it.
Because I'm a goofy footer, so I like to go left. And every single wave I had to go right, but then this one I got to go left, and it was epic, and no one else was on it, so it was the perfect final wave. Because we always have to end our sesh on the best wave, right?
Right. When I had my last wave, I was like, oh my god, this is the best wave I got today. I'm going in.
Yeah, same. I'm like, I'm satisfied. I can go back. And how long were we out there? Oh my gosh. What the heck? 936. That means it's time to go grill some meat by ocean. We're taking the board back to the car, and oh no, someone spilled all of their blueberries. That's so sad. So we just finished surfing, so now we're gonna go get Lila to go to Pengo, our favorite boba place, because they're having a special deal for the 4th of July. We're gonna get boba with Mom on.
Can't you see that it just rained?
What the heck kind of turn was that?
Just made
We made it to Pengo. It's time for Pengo. It's time for Pengo. We're going to Pengo. Whoa. Do you know what you're gonna get?
I think a matcha.
Matcha, good idea. Are you gonna get ceremonial? What are you gonna get?
I don't know. I never ordered it here.
Okay, I'll tell you what to get. 4th of July, matcha.
I have the menu.
Yeah, that one's yours. This one is Mama's, and this one is mine. Thank you. Yay, yay. Yeah.
I got matcha milkshake with boba,
And I'll try it.
and then I got it half sweet.
Good.
It's really good.
And what'd you get?
A strawberry drink with strawberry pop and boba.
Yum. And what did you get?
Oh, you know, you ordered me strawberry tea?
Yeah.
Oh, good.
What did I get? I got a watermelon lime mint slush with crystal boba.
Wow.
You like it? Good?
Very.
Let's now try this slushie. And they use real watermelon. You could see the big real watermelons that they have that they put into the slush. So good. So refreshing. Cheers. Aliana's matcha milkshake with boba. That's really good. The boba is the perfect texture. You like it?
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Pengo, for always making the best drinks ever.
We Pango. From now on,
Now Maman is a Pengo fan. Thank you, Pengo. So now we're back home and we're gonna have a pool party. These are the TANDM Surf Margaritaville floats. Cheese, nuts, watermelon, fruit, and yay. Are you excited to have a pool party?
Wonderful, yeah. Is it warm?
Yeah. Did it?
I don't want this feeling to go away.
The TANDM Surf Margaritaville Sit and Chill Float. Made for sitting and chilling. Yay! And it has 2 cup holders. And it's just so comfortable.
And it's enough of you in the water that you can stay cool.
Spin it round and round and upside down. I like your pool float. 3, 2. I'm just sitting and chilling in my pool float. Hello.
It's really good.
We're gonna prep the steak with some of this salt, pepper, and garlic, and then we're gonna add some rosemary leaf on it too.
You can do the rosemary.
So the meat is prepped, and we have the veggies prepped, and I am in charge of the salad, which is almost done. So yeah, we're getting all of our nutrients in this evening.
Beautiful. Transfer them to this.
I know that, yeah, that's what they like to do. People have to do that. Yeah, I still like the interaction with. Wow. Oh my gosh, Juju, look at that. Oh, this is recording.
TANDM Surf pool party meat is served. So we finished our pool party and grilling dinner, and now we're gonna watch Love Island. We might see some fireworks later, but we might just go to sleep. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.